Howdy folks, just want to draw your attention to a couple of very popular stocks that are absolutely crashing right now. I might record you guys a beast video later tonight, but just want to do a little short video to kind of update you on this. By the way, crude oil also making another big downward move here today, down 4.25%. Definitely love to see that. Oracle stock is down almost 12 percentage points here today. And, it's interesting because they reported earnings last night. And the earnings weren't that bad. Like I went through the income statement, I would kind of give it like a B grade income statement overall. They are growing revenues. They're growing their operating income faster than their revenues, and they're growing their net income faster than their operating income. And so that's positive, but Wall Street wants to see a lot more from this company, and so that's why that stock is falling here today. It is a lower valuation name in big tech, but it also has much lower growth profile than a lot of the big tech companies, so it is something to consider with some of these stocks, right? Next one up here, Lucid stock is down over 8 percentage points here today. I mean, that stock's down over 50% in the past year. It's been absolutely obliterated, right? And the reason is with that one, their CFO is resigning, and this is a very precarious situation with Lucid because this company's financial situation is dire, in my personal opinion. I mean, I said, like, this is an F grade income statement, but if I could give it below an F grade, I would give it below an F grade. If you look at their last income statement they reported, this was just a complete disaster. In terms of their revenues are going down. This is supposed to be a growth company, and their revenues are considerably going down. Their cost of revenue is not even going down as fast as their revenues going down. The research and development continues to pile up. Selling general and administrative expenses continue to go up. Total costs and expenses of the business is going up while the revenue is not going up. And so their loss from operations is an astonishing $752 million. And that's in a 3-month span, folks. So they're losing around $250 million a month in loss from operations. That's hard to even fathom how big that number is, right? Their net loss is astronomical. They've obviously issued a ton of shares. And so, I mean, it's just not a good look when you've got a complete disaster of a company going on here, and then you've got a CFO then resigning. It's a pretty dire situation in regards to that one. Lucid does not interest me at all, just to be honest. I think their products are pretty interesting, but the problem is their price points are just so high, and they just, their branding and marketing's just had a lot of trouble there. Oracle is somewhat interesting, I will say that, but once again, it's like, is your money better in Oracle? Is it better in like an Amazon? Is it better in like a Meta or stocks like that maybe have much higher growth profiles and maybe are trading a little bit richer, but not that much richer considering they might have much more growth, right? A Google, for instance, so that's where, you kind of have to make a lot of tough decisions and judgments there. But I definitely love to see this crude move here. So anyways, guys, I'll probably record you a big video later tonight, and then I'll probably record a reaction video as well. I got to hop on Twitch here in just a moment. If you want to join me for my Twitch live stream, I'll put that as a pinned comment here today, okay? Much love. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.